Get ready to dive into this week's most exciting AI news and latest updates. From ByteDance's revolutionary X-Portrait 2 for hyper-realistic talking head generation, to Replit's big agent updates in full-stack JS and React, and an insightful new course on LLM memory management by Andrew Ng, we've got it all covered. Plus, stay tuned for the latest innovations from Black Forest Labs, OpenAI's predicted outputs, and Fish Audio's new speech and agent tech. Whether it's advanced camera control from RunwayML or the game-changing design language of Recraft V3, this video brings you the cutting edge in AI advancements. Let's dive into each of these groundbreaking updates. News number 1, ByteDance announces X-Portrait 2. ByteDance has just unveiled X-Portrait 2, an advanced state-of-the-art model for talking head generation that takes realism to the next level. X-Portrait 2 focuses on capturing fine details in head movements, subtle facial expressions, and the unique emotions that each person conveys, making it a powerful tool in the realm of digital communication and media production. What sets X-Portrait 2 apart is its ability to replicate fast head movements and tiny, nuanced expression changes, delivering a lifelike representation that's incredibly close to human interaction. ByteDance's massive video dataset from TikTok likely plays a significant role here, providing a rich resource to train the model with a wide array of expressions, gestures, and emotional cues. This extensive dataset is an asset that ByteDance holds over competitors, enabling them to push the boundaries of talking head technology. The timing of this release is notable, as it follows closely on the heels of Runway's Act 1. X-Portrait 2, however, appears to be an even more advanced version of this tech, likely placing ByteDance ahead in this rapidly evolving space. While code for X-Portrait 2 isn't available just yet, those interested can learn more on ByteDance's project page. This breakthrough in digital persona creation hints at a future where we might interact with AI-generated avatars in ways that feel incredibly human. News number 2. Replit's big agent update. Replit has rolled out a major update to its AI-powered agent, packed with new features that enhance its coding and development support. This update brings full-stack support for JavaScript and React, enabling developers to build and refine more complex applications right within the Replit environment. By adding full-stack JavaScript capabilities, Replit expands its versatility, allowing users to develop both the front end and back end of applications seamlessly. Another exciting addition is the new agent chat feature. This feature allows developers to interact with Replit's agent in real time, asking questions, seeking code assistance, and troubleshooting issues directly through chat, which creates a more interactive and responsive development experience. To further enhance productivity, Replit has also increased agent quotas, removed time limits on usage, and introduced on-demand billing, making the service more accessible and flexible for developers with varying needs. These updates underscore Replit's commitment to creating a user-friendly platform that supports diverse development tasks, from quick code fixes to full-scale application development. The new features and flexible billing options make it a powerful tool for developers looking to streamline their workflows and enhance productivity. Let's take a look at the demo video from the Replit team.
Hey, it's Matt with Replit here, and today I'm excited to announce what's new in the Replit agent. So if you know Replit, you know that our engineers are always cooking, and that's been especially true the last few months since we've launched the Replit agent. And so today I'm excited to announce 3 new features or pieces of functionality that we've been working really hard on for the past few weeks. Now, to jump right into it, we've been asking ourselves, if Replit supports every language, why doesn't the agent? And that's why today we're taking the first step towards that mission by supporting React and JavaScript natively in Replit agent runs. Now, what that means is that you'll be able to build beautiful, responsive applications with all of your favorite React components and frameworks, like ShadCN or FramerMotion. Now, I want to emphasize that we didn't want to compromise on existing functionality. So all React applications also support the same features you expect from the Replit agent, like adding neon databases to your applications using Prisma. We're calling this project Beautification, and we're really excited to see all the new great apps that you'll be able to build using these frameworks. Something we've seen so many users comment on is that they want to keep using the agent past their quotas, which brings me to our next feature, which is that you'll be able to use the agent as much as you want. So if you've used the agent before, you know that you get a quota for your monthly agent usage. First, we're upping the quota. So all core users will now have $50 worth of agent quota, and all teams users will have $80. Additionally, we're adding usage-based billing, which means that you can continue to pay for your agent runs if you choose. And we're adding in some tools to make that easy to manage for you. So to summarize, basically, you get more agent usage per month out of the box, and if you want to pay to continue to use the agent, you can do that. And that means you can build projects pretty much all night long. That's probably not advisable every night, but you can do it if you want, and that's what we're here to enable. And that brings me to our third point, which is that sometimes our users, when they're building with agent, want to change the direction that the agent's headed. And we've added a feature that allows you to do just that, which is multi-session support. What does this mean? If you've used the agent before, you know that in existing chats, there are a single thread of conversation. Now, this can be inhibitive if you change your mind about what you're trying to build or want to focus on a very narrow feature. So we're adding the ability to create new chats within existing agent sessions with the Replit agent. What does this do? Well, first it clears the context. If you've ever chatted with Claude or ChatGPT and you got into these really long conversations, you may have noticed the quality of output starts to degrade once the conversation gets really long, and it can be useful to create a new chat for focusing on specific queries or specific topics. The same is true with the Replit agent. And that's why creating new sessions or creating new chats is useful. It clears out that context. It allows the agent to focus more narrowly on something you might want to add to your application. And if you're in an agent run where it's being unruly or not doing exactly what you want to do, you might try creating a new chat or creating a new session, and that could solve your problem right away. So to recap, we've announced 3 new features today. The first we're calling Agent Beautification, which includes React support and building with your favorite libraries like ShadCN and Fravor Motion, while including database support using Prisma and Neon Postgres. Additionally, we're rolling out unlimited agent usage with expanded quotas for core and team seat members. This means that you can use the agent to your heart's content. Don't stay up too late. I'm sure you already lost some sleep with the election this week. And finally, we're announcing multi-session support for agent runs, which means you can create new chats and change the context of existing agent sessions, hopefully resulting in better experiences in communicating with the Replit agent. Again, I'm Matt with Replit, and this has been What's New with the Replit agent for the week of November 7th, 2024. Until next time, peace.
News number 3, Andrew Ng launches new short course on LLMs as operating systems. Andrew Ng has introduced a new short course titled LLMs as Operating Systems, Agent Memory, developed in collaboration with Letta AI. Taught by Letta AI founders Charles Packer and Sarah Wooters, this course dives into an innovative approach to managing memory in large language models, LLMs, inspired by principles in computer operating systems. The course explores techniques for organizing and optimizing the input context window, a crucial aspect of LLMs, especially when handling extended interactions. In scenarios where a chatbot needs to retain and reference past interactions, this method stores less relevant information in a persistent database and brings forward only the essential context to respond effectively. This memory management approach allows LLMs to simulate longer-term recall, improving conversation continuity and enhancing response relevance over time. Students will learn the mechanics of context editing, memory hierarchy, and multi-agent collaboration. By the end of the course, participants will understand how to build an agent that intelligently manages its memory, making it invaluable for chatbots, virtual assistants, and complex workflows requiring sustained context over time. Let's watch the demo video shared by Andrew Ng.
I'm excited to introduce LLMs as operating systems, agent memory, built in partnership with Letta, a company that supports the open source agentic framework called Letta. Your instructors are the founders Charles Packer and Sarah Wooters. If you've taken one of DeepLearning.AI's earlier prompting courses, you may have found that when you prompt an LLM via API, they do not have persistent memories. For example, if you prompt an LLM with, "Hello, my name is Andrew," and then ask in the following prompt, "What is my name?" it won't remember. To simulate memory, you have to include the conversational history in the prompt or in the context window of the large language model. As AI applications have grown more sophisticated, managing the information that goes into and out of the limited context window has become increasingly challenging. MemGPT developed a very clever way to handle AI agentic memories.
Take the chatbot application. The context window will include conversational history, but as it grows, it may need to be compressed or summarized to fit. It may also want to track personal or topic-specific information and include that in the context window.
RAG applications are another example. They strive to include the most relevant information in the context to answer queries.
And agentic applications are the most demanding. They potentially need different information for each processing step. And so in the paper, MemGPT towards LLMs as operating systems, the authors proposed using an LLM agent to manage this context window. 2 of those authors are your instructors for this course.
The analogy we use in the paper is that of virtual memory from the computer systems literature. Computers use a technique called virtual memory to store much more data than the physical memory of the computer can. When data in virtual memory is accessed that is not in physical memory, the operating system will fetch that data from disk and load it into physical memory. In this course, you'll learn how to achieve a similar result with an LLM agent acting as the operating system. The agent will determine which information should be in the context window and fetch it from the appropriate source.
To understand the fundamentals, you will code an LLM agent that can edit its own memory from scratch. Then you'll learn how to use an open source agentic framework, Letta. This framework allows you to put the LLM as operating system's ideas from MemGPT into practice. It lets you build and deploy agents that have long-term memory. Agents of Letta are given tools to track context memory usage, edit memory, and move information between the context window and external memory. You'll create agents, generate chat memories, and create your own custom memory types.
When I read the original MemGPT paper, I thought it was an innovative and important technique for handling memory for LLMs. The open source Letta framework makes these ideas easy for you to use. Please learn about them in this course.
News number 4. Black Forest Labs updates Flux 1.1 Pro with 4K resolution. Black Forest Labs has just announced a major update to their Flux 1.1 Pro model, introducing high-resolution capabilities that now support up to 4 megapixels, 4K resolution. This enhancement enables users to generate ultra-detailed images quickly, with each sample rendering in just 10 seconds. Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, as it's being called, brings unprecedented quality to AI image generation, especially for creators and professionals needing top-tier visuals for digital and print applications. Available now on Kria AI, the model offers an ideal solution for tasks that demand both high fidelity and rapid output. This latest update reaffirms Black Forest Labs' commitment to pushing the boundaries of image generation technology, giving creators access to cutting-edge tools that save time without compromising quality. Try it now on Kria AI. News number 5. OpenAI introduces predicted outputs for faster GPT-4 processing. OpenAI has introduced a new feature called predicted outputs, designed to significantly reduce the latency for GPT-4o and GPT-4o mini models. By using a reference string, users can now experience faster response times, making the models more efficient for iterative tasks. This enhancement is particularly useful for activities like updating blog posts, refining previous responses, or revising code within existing files. With this advancement, OpenAI is enhancing the usability of their models for developers and content creators who need quick, responsive feedback from AI. For more details, visit OpenAI's developer platform page. News number 6. Fish Audio launches Fish Agent V.1 and Fish Speech 1.4. Fish Audio has unveiled 2 major updates in their AI-driven audio suite, Fish Agent V.1 and Fish Speech 1.4, each packed with groundbreaking features for the audio AI field. Fish Agent V.1 introduces a true end-to-end E2E architecture, eliminating the need for intermediate semantic layers, which allows the model to process audio more directly and efficiently. It boasts a compact 3 billion parameter design, making it lightweight and developer-friendly, and supports both text and audio input, allowing for diverse applications from voice cloning to interactive AI agents. Impressively, Fish Agent achieves a 200 milliseconds time to first audio, ensuring minimal delay and smoother interaction experiences. In parallel, Fish Speech 1.4 builds upon Fish Audio's existing speech capabilities. This update includes zero-shot voice cloning, a feature that allows the model to replicate a new voice after hearing it only once. Accompanying Fish Speech 1.4 is a comprehensive technical report available on RxEve, offering insights into its architecture and development process. The full source code has been released on GitHub, with fine-tuning options coming soon, enabling the developer community to customize and optimize the model further for specific needs. These advancements position Fish Audio as a forward-thinking leader in the voice and audio AI industry, enhancing capabilities for interactive applications, customer service, and personalized content creation. Let's check out the demo video shared by the Fish Audio team to see these features in action.
You are a voice assistant created by Fish Audio, offering end-to-end voice interaction for a seamless user experience.
What is machine learning?
Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance on a specific task over time. It involves training algorithms on data to make predictions or decisions.
What is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning?
Supervised learning uses labeled data to train algorithms, while unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data to find patterns. Yes, ArcSiv is a website where top-level physics papers are published and available for free access. It's a great place for researchers to share their work.
News number 7, Blockade Labs unveils Blendbox, a simplified approach to AI art creation. Blockade Labs has introduced Blendbox, a powerful new tool designed to revolutionize AI art creation by giving users more control over the artistic process. Blendbox eliminates the need for complex prompt engineering and random generation results, streamlining the experience for artists and creators looking to craft visually engaging content with minimal effort. With Blendbox, users can directly shape their creative vision, adjusting key parameters to produce artwork that aligns precisely with their ideas. Blendbox Alpha allows for greater intentionality in AI art, making it easier for creators to achieve specific results without the trial and error often associated with AI-generated visuals. This approach is ideal for designers and artists who want to maintain creative control while leveraging the power of AI to bring their concepts to life efficiently. This new tool by Blockade Labs represents a shift towards more user-friendly, flexible AI art platforms, setting a new standard in the industry. Creators can expect a more hands-on customizable experience, giving them freedom in both vision and execution. News number 8. RunwayML announces advanced camera control for Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. RunwayML has introduced an exciting new feature, advanced camera control for their Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model. This update allows creators to manipulate camera movements within their AI-generated scenes with precision, choosing both the direction and intensity of the camera's path to create intentional and dynamic shots. With this control, users can now zoom, pan, and arc around subjects, exploring various perspectives and even creating cinematic loops. Whether it's a slow, dramatic truck across a scene or a rapid zoom out to reveal a wider context, this feature opens up creative possibilities that bring a new level of depth and storytelling to AI-generated visuals. Advanced camera control empowers users to make each shot feel purposeful, making it a powerful addition for those looking to elevate their AI-driven projects with a professional touch. News number 9. Recraft unveils Recraft V3, a new standard in AI-driven design. Recraft has launched Recraft V3, a revolutionary AI model that transforms how design elements are generated, surpassing quality benchmarks set by other major platforms like Midjourney and OpenAI. Recraft V3 isn't just an image generator. It's a powerful design tool tailored to meet the complex needs of branding, marketing, and professional visual creation. This model introduces unmatched text generation capabilities, allowing for the precise placement and scaling of text, essential for creating branded graphics and sophisticated layouts. With a unique input-driven style control, users can fine-tune designs to reflect brand aesthetics without retraining the model, making it ideal for maintaining consistency in brand visuals. Recraft V3 also leads the way in vector art generation, offering seamless integration with vector support for scalable and high-quality graphics. Accessible for both free and paid users across desktop, mobile, and API, Recraft V3 sets a new industry standard in AI-driven design, enabling creators to push the boundaries of digital art and design. News number 10. Plate AI, the next-gen AI-powered rich text editor. Introducing Plate AI, an innovative rich text editor equipped with powerful AI commands and a copilot feature, transforming the way users create and manage content. Plate AI integrates a range of configurable plugins and access to over 200 components from the Shad CNUI library, making it highly customizable and versatile for various writing and content creation needs. With an AI SDK at its core, Plate AI supports intelligent content suggestions, formatting adjustments, and dynamic enhancements, streamlining the editing experience for professionals, developers, and writers. Plate AI's intuitive interface and extensive plugin compatibility make it a go-to choice for those seeking efficient AI-assisted text editing. Try out Plate AI and explore how it's elevating the standards of content creation with seamless AI integration at plate.org/.org. Thanks for tuning in to this week's AI updates. We covered some groundbreaking innovations, from ByteDance's XPortrait 2 to Replit's latest upgrades and Nvidia's Nemotron model. If you found these updates as exciting as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI news every week. Stay curious, stay innovative. See you in the next one.